Welcome back into our view to the Lowcountry. Richard, of course, is back with us, joining us on the couch now. And we've got CWells from High Tide Restoration who has joined us. Nice to see you.
Good morning.
Glad to have you.
Thanks.
So there's really lots to chat about in regards to, really sort of how there is some symmetry between businesses. But first, to share with us rather a little bit about High Tide Restoration, what y'all do.
Yeah, company's been in business over 25 years, locally owned and operated, located on Hilton Head. Most of our business is in Beaufort County. We will leave Beaufort County when the phone calls come in. Richard and I go way back, but our company, you call us when you have a problem usually, so there's a little bit of emotions on the other side of the phone. We've had water intrusion. You came home and a water heater busted, or a window wasn't installed correctly, and all the rain we had in June, our phones were ringing. So there's water intrusion. So our team shows up and does the extraction and helps with the insurance claim and kind of get your house back to its pre-loss condition. Our expertise is helping with that insurance claim and helping the homeowner get their house put back together.
Yeah, and so important because you are really stepping in times of sort of homeowner crisis, right, when things are going wrong. And so it's so nice that they're able to have a business that is, so trustworthy, great with communication. I've heard some great things. Richard, you even mentioned that, oftentimes because the remodel and the repairs are so good, people will have you come in and take care of those jobs even when not in crisis sometimes.
Sure.
But I think it's great to just chat with you a little bit. I'm the only coach not on the set right now. So you all are very involved in the community, which I think is fantastic. But, you can really speak to window installation. You actually mentioned that with all the rain that we've had. I guess between the two of you, share with us a little bit about the importance there and how that can be so impactful for a homeowner.
He knows this better than I do, but when this happens, the homeowner is usually inexperienced, haven't experienced this before. It's an emotional time. It's like, oh my God, I've got water everywhere. Where's it coming from? Why is it happening? And it's not uncommon for it to have been either age or a poor install job that could have happened in, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, depending on the age of the home. So we find ourselves referring each other, or, hey, you need to get with Richard, or Richard saying, hey, you need to get the High Tide's team over here to see what's going on, because sometimes it's obvious and sometimes it's invisible. Mm-hmm. Like you don't realize where the water has gone and what damage it has done. You don't want to use the word mold. But there's some microbial growth going on. It can affect air quality. It can, affect your health. So it is important. We have a very experienced, highly trained staff, and we're a preferred vendor for a lot of insurance companies. So we are experienced with that new process for a homeowner that has just experienced a loss. And what do we do? We've called our insurance company. What happens next? So we try to hold their hands and help them with that process, because it can be very alarming.
Oh, absolutely. And your thoughts too, as you step in.
Well, I know that Chris does a great job, and so companies that have integrity, that really take care of the customers, are they're the ones that we want to promote and that we want to be associated with. It's not just water damage. Sometimes it's fire. Sometimes maybe a tree falling on the house, which can lead to other problems. But one of the things that I like is that you're there to really kind of take over for the homeowner if they're absent, or they have to be absent because the home isn't livable. And so if there's somebody who maybe it's a second home and they're away, that you're here and taking care of. Talk a little bit about what that's like.
Yeah, I tell people all the time, I moved here a long time ago, going on 30 years, and Hilton Head's unique in a lot of ways. There's a lot of second and third homes here. There's a lot of homes that are vacant, and they come home to, or a property manager or a neighbor stuck their head in the door to check the plant and find something, whether it's, some kind of damage, usually water, he's right, mold, smoke, fire, all those things happen. And we've done a lot of projects where I never even meet the homeowner face to face. They live back in Ohio or Pennsylvania, or, the classic up north homeowner. And, with technology today, videos, FaceTime, Zoom calls, we can help them from afar without having to uproot them to come home and deal with this. we want to go the extra mile. We want to help them. It is important. We answer all the calls. We answer all the emails. Communication's solid. You know, I don't want to sound old school, but that sets you apart in a lot of ways nowadays. You know, it's frustrating out there when you're not getting responses. So you know, we do pride ourselves in that.
So if someone's in need of remediation, how would they get in touch with you?
Simple. Call our phone number. Hopefully they'll put it on the screen, 843-682-2000. And our staff answers that 24/7, 365. We never say no. We're always available. Emergency calls 24 hours a day. We've got a staff ready to be there, hopefully within the hour, even if it happens at 2 a.m. You mentioned you know, a tree falling. We've had that many a times where a tree falls and there's a root coming through the roof, and you know, we dispatch our group to get there and solve the problem.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I know that's much appreciated for homeowners in times of need, and you both know better than anyone that communication is king, and it unfortunately sometimes can be a rare thing to have that kind of trust and communication among, you know, contractors and folks that you're working with. But appreciate your thoughts and you being here.
Oh, great.
And when we get back, Richard, we're going to talk a little bit about some of the give back efforts of HHI Windows. We'll be right back.